Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to configure side-to-side VPN in FortiGate. As you can see in this scenario, I have head office and I have my brand or side B. So to allow my client from side A to access to head office or head office to access to side A, we need to configure VPN. Okay, now let's see. I will ping for you to this scenario. Here is my client. The IP address that we get here. Here's the staff LAN, the IP address of my staff LAN and head office, and here is the IP address of my staff at brand or site B. Okay, now we go to my client. Okay, I will ping to my LAN address of site B. Okay, here is its LAN. Okay, I will ping the gateway the same at site B to HU dot 20 dot 20 that's one. You see the connection now between side A, between head office and side B cannot be reached. So we need to configure. We need to configure side-to-side VPN to allow this area or location to be accessed or communicate with each other. Okay. So I go to my head office for the get. Okay, here is the head office for the get. I name it TM firewall. So make sure that this FortiGate have already access to the internet. That means that you have the public IP for the FortiGate at head office. Okay, everything has to be configured. If you don't know how to configure it, you can also see my previous video on how to configure the FortiGate to access the internet. So this one is the public IP that I got from my ISP. Okay, and here's my LAN interface with this IP address. Okay, so first you need to go to a static route. Okay, you create new, and then you need to put the gateway of my site B. Okay, or your brand. Make sure that now I am on my head office for the get. Okay, I will put the IP address 115. Okay, access through WAN. Click OK. Okay, and then you go to VPN. You go to IPsec wizard, and then this one I will put head office HU to side B. Okay, to side B2. Next. Okay, here's the remote IP. This one remote IP is the public IP of side B. Okay, because now I am on my head office firewall. Okay. Dot 84. Okay, and then pre-share key must be the same at side B. Side A and side B must be the same. Again. Okay. Next, local interface, your LAN. Okay, here is your subnet, and then remote subnet refer the subnet of the side B. Here is the IP address. I will on and up in 024. Okay, next, create. Okay, now we have already configured on FortiGate of our XU. The next we need to go to configure on our FortiGate of our brand or side B. I name it side B. Okay, we do the same thing. Okay, let's make sure that you have the public IP provided by your ISP. Okay, here is the public IP of my side B. Okay, now we go to static route, create new. Okay, the gateway of my head office. Okay, interface WAN. Okay, and then we go to VPN, IPsec pizza. I will put side B2 to HU. Okay, this one there are many configuration that you choose. Here, make sure that you choose side VPN. You can also configure with Cisco over here, as you can see. But here we configure only FortiGate to FortiGate. Okay, so I choose FortiGate. Next. Okay, this one is the public IP of head office. Public IP of my head office is, let's see, 81. Okay, 81. Then principal key must be put the same as HU. Okay, okay, again, just in case. Okay, next. And local your LAN. Okay, and remote IP, the IP address of your head office LAN. 120.20.0.24. Okay, just want to check. Okay, correct. Next, create. Okay, so after that we go to our client of both sides. Okay, now let me ping if they access the internet or not yet. Okay, I ping google.com. Okay, this one can be accessed. Now let me ping to the public IP of the IP address of my site. Okay, 100. Let's see, just wait. This one also depend on the connection. And ping back to, okay, you see 20.20.1110. Here's the LAN IP of our head office. Okay, now you see when I ping from our head office to our brand and from brand to our head office, it can be communicate with each other. So that means that our side-to-side VPN configuration is success. You can also see here, everyone. You go to IPsec tunnel. You can also see head office to side B. You can see the setter is up. Okay. If you go to your side B for the gate, you can also check the IPsec tunnel. Okay, the status is also up. That means that it's still communicated. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.